Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
First, check your Windows 7 edition and architecture, such as Service Pack 1 and 64-bit. Note your GPU model exactly from Device Manager or System Tools. Create a system restore point and a full backup before changing drivers to protect your system. Disable Automatic Windows Update driver installs temporarily in System Properties to avoid conflicts. Close all running programs, and note any custom GPU settings you want to reapply after the update. Open your GPU manufacturer website and enter your exact GPU model and 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. Choose the latest WHQL or manufacturer-signed driver package to ensure Windows 7 compatibility and stability. Download the driver installer and note the file size. Many packages are around 200 MB. Save the installer in a clearly labeled folder on an internal drive for easy rollback and reinstallation. Do not run the installer yet. First, uninstall the old driver using Device Manager, selecting Delete Driver Software when prompted, and then reboot into normal Windows 7. After reboot, run the downloaded installer and follow prompts to perform a clean install, choosing Express or Custom with clean install options if available. Reboot again when the installer completes to finalize changes and registry entries. Open Device Manager to verify the new driver version and run a known graphics test or benchmark to confirm stability and performance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.